I connected BambooHR to QuickBooks and how I used spreadsheets in between. We automate the full finance department, reduce its costs by 70%. All this project starts with Google Apps script connecting to BambooHR. Here, for example, we leverage conditional formatting. Hi, today I want to show you how I connected BambooHR to QuickBooks and how I used spreadsheets in between. So this automation is just only a small piece of a bigger automation where we automate the full finance department and reduce its costs by 70%. This whole automation starts from the need to get the data from BambooHR. So all of the employees of the company are in BambooHR and all of the salary informations, and once a month we need to calculate their salaries and to create bills in QuickBooks. So that's the way it works for me. So we have BambooHR, we have QuickBooks, and there is already a process of salary calculation there is in place. And in order to implement this business logic, we wanted to collect some extra details. So all this project starts with Google Apps script, which is connecting to BambooHR via API, selects all of the employees which are there, selects their IDs. Also in BambooHR we introduced a custom field to store QuickBooks ID, just to have the employee associated with the record in QuickBooks. With the supplier record in QuickBooks. I had to hide some of the information just for the sake of privacy. Nevertheless, you see here we have all of the information about previous salary, next salary raise, when it was changing. We have information about termination date and the balance of sick days and days off. Everything which is then later on needed to calculate the salary. And here we have a great example of human in the loop, because the logic is following. We select everything from BambooHR, we store it in a spreadsheet, and then human has to look into this spreadsheet, because here, for example, we leverage conditional formatting. So for instance, when there is a termination date, we highlight with red, just as a reminder for the finance guy to calculate the amount of working days and amount of days worked in this month. That part can be automated, but for that we would have to retrieve the holidays in this company, so that requires the other additional process, which was just too complex to automate, so we left it for a human in the loop, just to do it manually, because it takes a couple of minutes. So CFO is just looking at this spreadsheet. If everything is yellow or red, pays attention to it, fixes it, and then could hit the next button where we take the data from this spreadsheet and prepare bills in QuickBooks. From there on, those bills are taken for the customer reports, and there is much more business logic happening, but that would be enough for the scope of this video. If you got any questions, drop a comment below, or just drop me a note in case you would like to introduce something like that in your company and reduce manual effort.